I always love tweets like that, King. They're like, Trump is doing this while this is happening. It's like, what the fuck do you want Trump to be doing right now? What was the big thing that just happened when he was golfing? Oh, it was the bombing, and it was the bombing in where was that? Kentucky? Whatever state it was.
Tennessee.
But like the bombing just happened, and the tweets already started. Trump is golfing while the bombing goes off. Hey, Mucky. Is this because of Baba? No, I'd say the sell-off is mainly due to the unrest in the capital. But it definitely doesn't help that a lot of the big Chinese companies are selling off. That's leading Tesla to sell off. And every 11 points that Tesla goes down pushes SPY down 1 point. So it does not help that Tesla's selling off. I would say it's mainly from what's going on in the capital right now, though. It's an irrational sell-off. It should get bought up.
But this is probably going to carry on for a few days.
Actually, it was an irrational sell-off before the China news. The China news is kind of giving it a reason to stay down.
Some more footage.
More footage, huh? Oh, now they're breaking shit. Yeah, that's where it goes a little too far. Especially when those buildings are hundreds of years old. I mean, the windows are probably new. I love watching people try to break shit and they struggle. Like, have you seen
during the riots?
Yeah,
dude,
have you seen videos of the riots where they have those really strong like plexiglass windows and they're just trying so hard, dude. I love watching that stuff.
I saw a video of a guy like running into one, and I'm pretty sure he got a concussion.
Oh, one of them like dislocated his shoulder in one of the videos.
Oh.
You could see he ran into it with his shoulder like they do on the movies, breaking down doors. He thought he was real tough. Second he hits it, his shoulder starts drooping and he can't lift his arm.
I heard in Canada there was a guy who was trying to show people who worked in a skyscraper that those windows were like plexi. And he ran full force and shattered it and went out.
No way.
That's what I heard.
Would he die?
Yeah.
Fucking Darwinism, dude, in action.
Yeah.
You love to see it.
The risk to reward there is just not good.
Yeah, that's 100x leverage right there, dude.
Shouldn't laugh, but yes, that's a very high leverage. Holy.
I'm sorry, this is bad.
This is bad.
Rest
in peace, man.
When you landed.
It's liquidated, dude.
Okay, I'll show you scalp in the 1 minute.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, is Bitcoin reacting?
I'm short from 1190 on ETH right now.
Yeah, it's fucking big pullback, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't like what's going on in the capital.
It's pretty pog.
Was something just released or something?
No, there's a bunch of protests going on. They're like storming the Capitol buildings.
Oh, no shit.
And then you have news that just came out about China. They're thinking about adding Alibaba and some other big companies to the D list.
So why Baba's down 5%?
It's just not going to happen though. Like, what do we have? 2 weeks? They're gonna have to get that shit done before Biden comes into office because he loves China. He's not gonna put that shit through.
China.
God, that short was so easy. Cannot believe I canceled that order. Fuck me.
Buyers are stepping into Apple.
Yeah, Tencent. Tencent was one of the big ones. Doesn't Tencent own League of Legends and Valorant? Yeah.
Oh shit, Tencent is huge. Like even Ark has.
Is it Fortnite too, or is that a different company?
That's Epic Games.
Oh, Tencent's
those are the
PUBG. That's the other one I was thinking of. Yeah.
They own PUBG. What the fuck? They have all that money and that game's fucking dog shit.
No, it's not PUBG. Tencent's Bluehole. Did they get bought by? Or sorry, PUBG is Bluehole.
They got bought.
Kiff is the PUBG guy, so we're gonna listen to him. He's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna listen.
Yeah, he plays PUBG.
Wow, Jamie, that was the easiest $2,000 I've ever made.
On what?
On an F short.
You shorted F?
Weird flex.
Dude, it just started. Bitcoin started nuking and F didn't move.
Target remains unfazed, dude. Target is just, it's untouchable, man. When you have an entire generation of millennials that only shop at your store, you're fine.
Oh wow, yeah, they haven't.
After just retesting the ascending triangle it broke out from.
Neo dropped $4 on the China news, guys. China.
Look at
I wouldn't hold
China.
that short, Castro.
No, I already closed it.
Reports a person's been shot inside the Capitol. That's a protester being shot, obviously, because the protesters shouldn't have guns.
Is there like live any live video on anything?
Yeah. Dom has a link.
Wait, there's a live video
Of the guy being shot? Probably not, but of the
Oh, no,
protest.
but, like of the protest. Yeah, there's live.
Yeah,
video?
Dom posted. If you scroll up a little bit, Dom posted a link.
Castro, do you watch Faces of Death, like volumes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? Is that what you want?
No, I've seen it before, but no, I haven't.
GLD on the 15-minute is forming a rounded bottom.
I'd be careful buying dips on Neo and like the other Chinese companies that are coming back because they're dipping for a reason. It's not a technical move. They're dipping because their Chinese counterparts are getting delisted. Alibaba being delisted is big.
Damn, so they're like fucking going big, right? Like they're fucking wilding out.
Oh
right
no,
now.
they're wilding. Yeah, they're in Pelosi's office and they're like literally in the Senate chamber.
Holy fuck, dude! How have they not like called people in?
Dude, they're on the.
Pelosi called for the National Guard. The Pentagon said no.
They're on the live stream trying to call Trump from Pelosi's office.
Oh
Dude,
god, that's
legit.
hilarious.
They're sending Pelosi's office to zero.
Oh my god, this is fucking crazy.
People are fucking wild, man. COVID just made everyone crazy.
Our dollar's crashing, people
They better-
rioting and shit.
They better leak Pelosi's nudes.
Oh my god.
Yo, rate her fucking
Dom,
gelato cash, bro.
that was Dom, you fucking called that this morning.
What?
They were talking about gun stocks. Smith & Wesson's up 22.5%.
No way. Holy fuck.
I think Dom was talking about VSTO. VSTO is on fire. Target coming up at 29.63. This has been an eventful first 24 hours in the Oasis trial. Yeah, really. What a day.
Dude, they're legit in the buildings right now. Like, no one's stopping them.
I'll levitate. Just Twitter.
This guy's smoking a cigarette
Yeah,
inside.
right? I just saw the guy.
What a piece of shit. What a piece of
Oh
shit.
my god, dude. Holy shit. Look, this kid is fucking kicking it on the fucking couch.
Whoa, who do they have? Is that Pelosi's office? Where is that? Who do they have all their guns pointed at? I mean, like, where is that? I know, obviously, who, doesn't matter.
No idea. Giving the stream a thumbs up.
Dude, they're playing with fire when they're playing with the Secret Service. The cops will be lenient with you. You don't want to fuck with the Secret Service.
You think they put, like, Trump away?
Oh yeah, he's chilling.
Yeah, he's going out of DC,
Yeah,
I guarantee it.
Yeah, he is chilling.
Trump's chilling in the White House eating chicken tendies and fucking stocks.
He ordered some McDonald's.
Yeah, dude, these people in there are gonna get fucked.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
found
all
Jack.
going
They
to
found
jail.
Jack Ma earlier this week. That's why
Love to see it.
Alibaba started pumping.
You guys think it's worth picking up the China dip?
I mean, like I said, they have to get that shit done quick because Biden's not going to go for that. And neither is a Democrat-controlled House or Senate. They're not going to go for all this China stuff.
What else besides Neo's dropped? I can't like and Baba.
Baba,
JD,
Tesla,
IQ,
Solo,
anything, bro. Anything China.
TDD.
anything
Yeah,
EV related to with all the China stocks, they're getting murdered.
Totally forgot about JD. Good call.
Fucking assholes walking around smoking a cigarette.
You
Yeah,
know
you
what's
can't go
crazy?
wrong, dude.
Is IQ's not even down a full percent when everything else is melting down, so that's probably a pretty good sign of strength.
What is Asher doing?
What ticker?
IQ, it's like the Netflix of China.
Shit, look at Asher. It's the Chinese ETF. It's barely even down.
Tesla's climbing is above 760 again.
Yeah, Gars, they're talking about adding Baba and Tencent to the D list. What is Tencent's ticker?
It's TCEHY.
Yeah, they're not even, they're an OTC. They're like not even a fucking actual stock. And they're talking about delisting them.
Damn, JD's down fucking 7%.
Dude, I'm about to scoop up like. I mean, I'm kind of sketch, but I'd like to get 100 shares at this price.
Yeah, I'm thinking of scooping up some JD, some IQ, and some Baba just for the sake of it.
What's
Might
IQ?
as well.
What's PDD doing and Billy?
Billy.
PDD, Jesus, is testing a daily pivot.
Open the door, Billy.
What's Billy doing? Billy's on fire. Isn't Billy a Chinese company?
Am I seeing this right? XLM pumped over 100% today.
Yeah, bro, 100% literally a day.
Come on,
I was
Stellar,
like
yeah.
amazed when I
And
saw
I
that.
wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy it when I seen that it was like it pulled back and like it pulled back from up 20% down to 6%.
Dude,
Dude, it's because their largest competitor is Ripple. You take Ripple out of the
flipped
picture,
Ripple.
dude. You take Ripple out of the picture, XLM's gonna rock it.
It flipped Ripple in price, but not like. I mean, look at the market cap difference still.
Norway adopted XLM for their crypto digital currency.
Yeah, he's got Discord on his phone too. He's chilling in here.
What happened?
No, they were saying Trump's probably got 3 apps: McDonald's, Robinhood, and Twitter.
Oh. So they do have a perimeter set up outside to not let more people in, but the people that are already in, they're just fucking letting them pillage.
You're grandfathered.
Well, dude, look. Would you like that headline? That headline of them shooting people? Like that's not gonna happen.
Didn't someone already get shot?
Well,
What
yeah,
if
that's
it's
it. They're
rubber
already shooting people.
bullets, and this is all just a whole roll, just to, you know?
I don't even think the Secret Service own rubber bullets.
There you go.
Bullets, nukes.
Do some tragedy, so it gets on the news and stuff like that. Conspiracies.
It's just a repeat of what happened in what was it, Michigan?
Yeah, I don't think it's a conspiracy, bro. I think if you just say the same thing multiple times, there's definitely enough dumb people to believe it. I mean, it shows in crypto and stuff with people who buy these tickers. Just imagine if you're like Trump, bro, how many people are gonna listen to what you have to say?
It's ape season, man.
Yeah, it's
They're fucking aping into the Senate.
Yeah, but
chamber
brother,
right
I'm
now.
talking about the people who are buying from 2018 all the way down to negative 90%.
Yeah.
JD's down over 7%. I'm about to
Ape
buy that
season.
up.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up JD here too.
Crypto said, "Hey Deja, what's going on? DC? We are following anxiously. It's a bunch of Trump supporters storming the Capitol buildings because they don't like the results of the election. Nothing really crazy's happening. They're not like breaking or killing anybody. It's just they're storming the Capitol buildings.
Maybe this was like a 2000 IQ play by Biden, and he hired all these people to do this and just make Trump look bad.
Oh my god, AI is like straight the fuck down, dude.
Good thing about DC is already they have a gun ban completely uniform across the board. No guns allowed, so there's no you're not going to have a shootout.
That's un-American.
Yeah, that's very un-American, especially
I
for our
should be able to
capital.
take my gun to DC and let off a couple rounds just cause.
Well, every state in the country is the same. That's what one of the uniform gun laws is. Government premises you cannot have weapons.
Either I don't know if she was a senator or a Congress lady. She was gonna bring her Glock to like the house or some shit.
Yeah, that doesn't fly.
Yeah, she was like, "That's
Okay.
my American right," and I was like, "You're an idiot. You should go to jail for that."
Yeah, it's schools, government offices, bars and restaurants. That's a uniform across the country.
There was a guy here who had his gun with him when he like dropped his kid off at school. That shit fell out his pocket, went off, and they arrested him.
I do remember hearing about that. Yep. I think he was concealed carrying, wasn't he? You know, like fell out.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. See, that's
Well-
bad. It's just somewhere you just can't concealed carry on schools.
And then why even risk it? Because like, granted, no one thinks their gun is gonna fall out. Even if it falls out, you don't think it's gonna fucking go off.
Yeah,
but
very few guns will fire when they're dropped.
yeah, I mean that's literally what they're designed not to do.
Yeah.
And then fucking it happens, and he's like, "Oh shit."
My gun actually, I have the 6-hour P320. It actually got recalled, right? Because I have the first edition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you bang it on something, it'll
It has an exact angle. If you drop it on this exact angle, it will fire.
Yeah, I remember seeing that recall, and I watched
Yeah.
some YouTube videos on it, and a buddy of mine has one. But he's like, "I'm not gonna send my shit back in."
Yeah, I didn't send it in either. I still have the first edition one.
Just don't drop it.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't drop the soap.
Don't drop it. Sorry, guys. I'm
Don't
trying to
drop
keep up.
that
You guys are very
motherfucker.
active in chat today. Let me see. AVY. Let me take a look. You said AVY just broke all-time high. What's your views? Looks pretty good, man. I'm trading a bunch of things that look like this. Or I was trading a bunch. Just a very tight consolidation breaking in all-time highs. Very, very easy trade. As long as it stays above this consolidation, you're just going to continue higher. Very, very easy trade on that. Yeah, you have a resistance level around 152. As long as it holds that, you should be fine. Yeah, 4-hour pivot at 156. See, this is very rare. You're putting in a blue pivot on a breakout candle. Extremely rare. What this means is when it pushed up, it tried to sell off and it got instantly bought up, so the buy pressure is extremely strong. So this is pretty bullish, as long as you stay above 156.
They should honestly just shoot it out and be like, if they didn't, follow directions, that's their own fault.
Were you saying that back when the Black Lives Matter and the other protests were going on?
Hell yeah. I love a good shoot. I used to live
Hey
in
man,
LA,
all
dude.
I'm saying is as long as you have the same views with both protests, then that's fine by me.
Yeah,
Just don't be
That was the
one-sided.
perfect question,
Don't be a hypocrite. As long as you have the same views both sides, I'm cool with it.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, where the fuck is the rubber bullets and tear gas and shit? They're already breaking
Dude,
stuff.
I literally don't think the Secret Service has rubber bullets.
No, I'm talking about like,
What
there's mad
caused
cops
this?
outside.
Oh, I know the cops. Yeah, the cops should fuck them up. What'd you say?
People
What
protesting.
caused
It's
this?
the election. They're protesting the election.
Trump
Oh,
and Pence said, "I'm not doing that."
Yeah,
stupid shit you asked me to
exactly.
do."
It finally it went over the boiling point because Pence said he wasn't going to help Trump, basically.
Oh,
Well,
I
there's
did see that.
nothing
this morning.
Pence has no power to overturn anything in all reality.
Well,
Like there's,
I think he was saying that he wanted Pence to start pushing all of the Republicans, like the senators and the congressmen,
if you wanted him to throw out the electors, and that's constitutionally he's not able to do. Otherwise, think about it. Think about it. Aside from which party is which, if vice presidents are allowed to pick who the next president is, it's just not the way. It doesn't make any sense that vice presidents should pick. You get what I'm saying?
No, I hear you. I hear you. Like I said, I
But
don't give a fuck. I'm just happy this shit is over. In the next 3 to 4 weeks, most of this shit will be over.
This is crazy,
Dude, you throw in a pandemic with locking people in their houses for 6 months with an election that is the most contested election probably in the history of America. This is what you get. People are not going to be happy.
Well, it shouldn't matter which side you are if you're losing.
Well, I would
you
say
need to go
most people
fucking
are
vote.
happy.
Welcome to America. We want the 2K stimmy.
Like 82 million people,
Johnny.
I think, are happy.
That's true, Johnny. If they pass the stimulus, people would probably just be happy across the board. You know what? We don't like Biden, but fuck, he gave us $2,000. I'm happy.
They're gonna be like, were you in the Capitol building on this day?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not getting
Yeah.
shit.
Revoked.
Is this you on this video? That ain't me. Bro, it's in 4K.
You guys remember Cars for Clunkers or the Obama phone?
I do remember the Cars for Clunkers.
The Obama phones?
The Obama phones is still going on, I'm pretty sure.
What's the Obama phone?
Yeah, like people on welfare get phones.
Like iPhones?
Like, yeah, like phones.
No.
Like small, like they get phones. Like,
but they get cell phones.
yeah, it's not like an iPhone 12.
Oh, like just okay, I gotcha.
iPhones.
I'm sorry, I don't know why it's like the first free iPhones.
They partner with Apple.
It's bullish.
Fucking lot lizards.
Hey, internet.
Peaceful protesting is one thing. Once you start breaking and vandalizing, you should rot in jail, no matter which side you're protesting.
No, like I said, as long as you guys have the same mentality on both protests, fine with me. You want them to lock up today? You better have been calling for that back when they were protesting for months earlier.
Where's Keytoy when you need him?
Yeah, really. We gotta talk to Keytoy. What's going on in Britain? That'd be hilarious if they were protesting in Britain about the election in the U.S.
Oh, that'd be hilarious. He'd be like, "Oh, look at the Americans going crazy."
So what else happened since?
Is it that you American blokes are just going crazy over there?
Castro, that chart looks good, man. It's a bulldog too. You see that?
AA, you almost hit our final target, Dom. The final target was 25.75. You topped out barely before that. But as long as you hold 25 here, it should push into that final target. Yeah, Sean's a Brit.
I think I gotta close some trades out, man, to get some capital.
You're deep, huh? You must be up fat today, though.
I wish they would squeeze.
I mean, I only have fucking 27% margin left.
I wish they would storm the Queen's Castle, lads. They'd fucking nuke it.
Litecoin looks like it's just ready to fucking tear, dude.
It looks like the weakest out of all the majors.
Look at the 4 hour. 4 hours clean.
I got way too many charts up right now.
Clean as fuck. That's why I don't want to close anything, because it still looks good. So I don't want. I'm just not going to enter any new positions.
Which one, Litecoin?
Yeah, Litecoin 4 hour looks really good.
Oh, it does, yeah. Nasty gravestone the last 4 hour, but if it recovers, looks strong.
That scalp is dirty. I flipped back long.
You flipped? Yeah, that's.
Holy shit, you're a degen, dude.
I'm on the 1 minute chart right now.
Fucking 1 minute. Are you still using
Yeah,
the
like I
OTS
said,
on the 1 minute?
Look at the 1 hour. All
Alright,
it did
I'm
was just
okay with it.
retest the breakout area.
I'll let you slide.
Damn, I could have fucking relonged this. Like when I just sat down, it was like still pretty low.
Oh wait, what? What coin?
F. It just retested the breakout area. That's all it did.
You put
on
in a
that
bull
pullback.
div on the bottom.
Castro, you still in IWM?
Yeah.
Hagar's.
Are you up?
I haven't looked at any stocks today because like my brain's about to explode.
Hagar says USA is weak and Mother Russia. There's only one President, Putin. He's actually he's leaving though because of his health problems. That's gonna be very interesting. I wonder if he's gonna rule from the shadows.
For a headset.
What are you looking to do, J1? Like
Russians are more nationalistic than we are, though.
Oh, they're very nationalist. Yeah. That's one thing about
They're all
communism.
They're all about Mother Russia and Putin.
They're all about
and
helping each other.
You're on the 1 hour.
One.
You're on the 1 hour 20 moving average right now with the doji. Problem is 4 hour support isn't for a while. 4 hour support, if it like retests that previous high, it's going to come down another 25% or so.
Jeez, King. That is not good, King.
Oh, no way. Oh, yikes. Dude.
Why is she being shot? I don't even see her doing anything. I can't tell in the video. Yeah, that one's a little, yeah, delete that one, King. That's a little graphic. The first one's okay.
Holy shit.
King, send that
dude.
to me. I want to watch that. I didn't get to see it.
Why was she being shot? Watch the video and tell me why she's being shot.
Who shot her? Does it show who
I
shot?
can't even tell. The thing the protesters.
Oh, it's some kind of police or some kind of authority.
Well, the things the protesters have to realize, like in both, they cannot grab, like when the cops are like at the barricades and they're fighting, that's one thing. If the cop is holding a gun to you and you're trying to grab for his weapon, he's going to shoot you.
And he should.
Yeah. Like if you're ever trying to fight a cop who has a gun pointed at you, you're going to be shot.
And you should. 100%.
You cannot grab for a cop or a Secret Service, or you cannot grab for them if they have their weapon out. Putin's not leaving, it's fake news. Oh, that wasn't true? Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for updating me on that. I did not know that. Bulldog on 1 minute ES. Big volume coming in on the spike down too. I typically don't trade OTC, Drew, but I can take a quick look at these. But my answer is probably gonna be the same on most of them. They probably look like dog shit. COUV, I'd say as long as you hold that pivot at 355, you're okay. You got a 4-hour pivot. That one doesn't look too bad. You're putting in a big top there. It's probably a bear div on the lower time frame. Yep, 15-minute bear div, calling the top, pulling back. You just lost momentum. You'd have to stay above that 4-hour pivot. GSGT. This thing, I can't even chart. Yeah, that thing's complete dog shit. ALPP. That one had a buy signal down here at 210, playing out beautifully. 4-hour, not really getting any buyers. 1 hour. 1 hour small bull div here, hit your target already. You'd have to get above the pivot around 3.25. That would look better. I probably wouldn't touch it below 3.25. GAXY. Very similar chart, bullish pennant. Daily is failing a pivot. You're also putting in a new pivot. I wouldn't touch it until you get above those pivots. 0.0369. But all of those are OTC, so they're very flexible. They move very rapidly on news, so basically everything I just said is probably worthless. One news article will push those stocks. Yeah, I can check XLM, Jay. JMA is more of the crypto guy.
I thought that was Dime.
Dime only answers you if you use his ref link. XLM 1 hour has a perfect buy signal that called the bottom so far, so I'd say as long as that buy signal is not invalidated, you should be fine. 0.27.
What's going on over there, you lunatics?
There
I've
he
just seen the
is.
news.
We were just talking about you.
Classic.
Hey,
What's going on, man? I'm watching the
What do you
news,
mean,
and your
man? We're
countrymen
doing
are
fine.
like fucking running around shooting people.
We're
you
doing-
know,
we're
You're
doing fine,
watching,
Keytoy.
you're watching us on the telly.
I'm watching you on the box. What's going on? It's crazy.
I don't know what you're talking about, Keytoy. This is America. It's a normal
Yeah,
day.
just taking it in your stride. It seems like nothing's happening. People running into fucking government buildings, like shooting people.
No, the cops
You
are shooting them.
lunatics. Oh, is it the police shooting them?
Yeah, the police are shooting the protesters. That's normal. I mean, that's nothing. That's nothing new.
That's fucking brilliant. Oh my god. I just walked in.
You know what happens when, like, one of your
into the
favorite
kitchen
teams
and
in
just saw the
England?
news. I was like, what the fuck?
You know what
Yeah.
happens when one of your favorite teams in England loses, and your entire
Oh.
entire country goes
Oh,
ballistic?
motherfucker, you just reminded me.
That's basically
Manchester
what's going
United
on.
Manchester United and Man City are playing right now.
We just kind of fight over things that are important. You guys fight over like football games.
Is that right?
Hey, football games are important, man, to some people.
You're not lying.
Yeah. Yeah, Man United and Man City are playing right now. I totally forgot. It's the semifinal.
I tell you what, it's a good job we're not allowed guns in this country. There wouldn't be any supporters left at football games.
It'd be like
Fucking
Colombia.
shooting each
Dude.
other. Fucking madness. We'll be clearing up the litter after, just be clearing up the bodies.
Bit mad, eh?
It's a bit mental.
Absolutely mental. Chicken Oriental, you lot.
His Neo is still a good buy. They're dropping on fundamental news, so technicals are kind of hard to say, but you are bouncing on a 1 hour pivot, I believe. Yeah, 1 hour pivot. As long as it holds above the gap, technically you should be okay. But it's dropping on the China news.
You getting the news? I mean, you're getting the news. You watching the game, Kiff?
TUPRS looks decent. You have a blow off top though. You try to gap up and you're selling off. This would be dark cloud cover. Typically pretty bearish. You have an ascending triangle right here, so you're probably going to come back and retest the triangle. As long as you stay above that triangle, you look fine. BIMAS looks very similar to the charts that I was talking about earlier. Very long consolidation, breaking bullishly. As long as you stay above that bullish uptrend, you should be okay to continue higher. Yeah,
Is
look
that
at
you requesting a Liverpool accent, Kiff? I'm not doing.
very nice 4 hour uptrend here. If you break that 4 hour uptrend, probably go back down to the pivot. You have a little bit of support around the VWAP there, and then you have that uptrend on the weekly. But so far, that trend is holding, so it should be bullish.
Right, I've got to go back to work. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Have a good one, man.
Bye, sir.
Cheerio.
Cheerio, old boy.
Limber, it doesn't matter, man. Neo is one of the biggest traded Chinese stocks in America. So when China gets news like that, the Chinese stocks are going to feel it. Think of it as an industry. The Chinese stocks that are traded in America is one industry as a whole. Whenever one of them gets bad news, it's going to affect all of them.
So what's going on with Baba?
They're thinking about adding Baba and Tencent to the delisting. They approved delisting for 3 telecom companies this morning, I believe.
Is that why Baba's down there?
It also is bad for Neo because if you think about how this is playing out, it started with 3 Chinese companies that they approved. Then they're like, oh, you know what? Let's add Baba and Tencent just out of the blue. So now these other Chinese companies are like, what the fuck? They're just going to start adding other Chinese companies to the delisting. So now they're all kind of shaken that they might add them. I know if I was heavily invested in Chinese companies right now, I would be selling. You got to think about the investor standpoint. the people investing in Chinese companies that are listed in the U.S., they start seeing their little buddies get delisted, they're probably going to sell. DC National Guard is getting activated now. They'll clean that shit up. Like we were saying, no matter what side you're on, you should not be storming Capitol buildings. They should be pulled out immediately. Now, Pelosi's office, that's a different story. They can trash that place. Everywhere else, they should get pulled out. Hopefully she had like a list of stocks that she's in on her desk and it's going to get leaked soon.
That'd be amazing.
She like has sticky notes thinking about buying Walmart.
St. Lucie's like, so can I short yet?
Yeah, I saw that.
I love that guy. What a baller name. You know what I mean? Sang Lucci.
True.
I think I'm changing my name. He was one of the people that took a beating this year, I'm pretty sure. Wasn't he getting wrecked like early in the year?
Because he was doing
like he took a couple of 6-figure losses, and then when August and September turned, he was short and he made like a fortune.
Yeah. Because he's like balls to the wall, whatever he does. Like he goes crazy.
Yeah, I mean he was looking for the short even in like June, July.
Yep.
And it just didn't work out.
Yeah, see, that is pathetic. Like that video that King just posted. Fucking ganging up on a police officer like that. And you know their orders are to not shoot them, and like they can't protect themselves basically.
Yeah, they can't get blood on the Capitol.
Yeah.
It's hard to get out of that wood. It says it's like 900 years old.
Exactly, yeah. They don't want to clean that stuff up.
Though that video that chick getting shot is fucking crazy.
Did it show why she got shot? What did she do?
She's literally in a crowd of people and the gun goes off and she gets shot in the neck apparently.
Yeah, but who shot her? One of the officers, right?
We have no clue.
Hey, what are your thoughts on Apple?
They're gonna get tightened up by the National Guard if they don't relax.
Imagine thinking they're gonna relax anytime soon.
Because you saw what the National Guard did to what was the recent protest? Was it Black Lives Matter or was it another one in DC? Like the most recent one? When the like
I want to say it was like a Proud Boys one.
No, not like not like the most recent one, but the one where I think it was Black Lives Matter. When the National Guard, like all those videos of them like tear gassing and rubber bulleting, they were tearing them up basically. And they were mass arresting them.
Yeah.
Hey, your thoughts on Apple?
Apple, yeah. Because that's what's gonna happen.
AJ1, that XLM that you were talking about, you're looking at it's bouncing.
Apple could be a bulldog here if you bought them.
What time frame?
Like 5 minute, 15 minute, like this low time frames.
Oh, okay. I was looking at the 1 hour, 4 hour.
Yeah, if it holds, yeah, the higher time frames look a little bloody. Damn,
You guys see
Tech.
who won the Heisman?
Tech got murdered. They did not like that sell off. My gains are all still basically where they were. I think Honeywell and RTX. Oh yeah, they're holding. Yeah.
IWM's the only one that burned me bad.
15-minute falling wedge, Tesla.
Snapchat's pulling back, Dash is pulling back, everything else is doing fine for me. Verizon, RTX, Honeywell, they're not doing too bad.
CVS is paying me pretty good though.
Yeah, CVS and Johnson & Johnson.
You took that yesterday, C's?
Yeah, yeah. I took the 70. It's up around 60%.
You guys that are still in Ulta, that thing is getting ready to rip. It doesn't give a shit about the pullback. It pulled back to retest that level I gave you guys around 289, and now you're pushing off of it. One of the strongest charts on my watch list is Ulta. 299, 300 should be pretty easy.
Close sun run though. Damn, Castro, you should have taken that. I know
Yeah.
I was like, just wait a day. And that's all it took, man. Just one day, one
Yeah,
after.
it is what
You
it
see
is. I
where
should have
it's
taken
at?
maybe like a half position or something. And then added all hindsight,
TVA
though.
is failing a 4-hour pivot from a while back. Like 1140 is a 4-hour pivot. It still has a lot of support below you, though. I'd say like above 1080, you're still safe. Yeah, Castro, I was saying that earlier when the market was just going vertical. I was like, oh, what's NVIDIA doing? It didn't get any buyers today, dude.
Apple
levels,
has
man.
a tight falling wedge on the 15-minute.
Jay, that XLM is bouncing really hard off that 20 moving average.
Yeah, Jay, I saw Verizon's finally up, dude. Verizon likes the unrest, I guess.
Chip.
Think we gap up on this, right? Tomorrow morning?
It should. But it's hard to say. Stuff like this is very hard to like, who asked about a black swan event earlier? There's your black swan event. And that honestly is not even the biggest black swan because you could have predicted that.
It was me.
Yeah. So that's like that'd be like a partial black swan right there.
I'm trying to decide if I want to hold these 376 for tomorrow.
VSTO is still ripping, dude. The gun stocks are loving this shit.
I'm in a 376, 379 spread SPY for Friday.
Look at VSTO.
Yeah, I bought Mondays for this. Probably get rid of it this week, though.
What, for Visto?
Nah, for SPY.
Oh. Any of you guys in those gun stocks, they are flying. I sent you the wrong screenshot.
I was gonna buy just a debit spread or straight naked on IWM yesterday, and I was like, nah. But if it doesn't shoot up too much, I'm just gonna put a butterfly and just try to capture some theta. And it blew through both ends of my butterfly today. I didn't expect it to run this hard.
If ES retraces back down to like 3,700, this will be the most Bitcoin price pattern I've ever seen in equities markets.
Did we make a new all-time high?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, it did.
What did I try to short? I tried to short 37.70. What's the high? 37.74. Jesus Christ.
Bitcoin ripping.
So this is bullish for
Look at how
Bitcoin,
clean that is on Bitcoin. Same chart I posted earlier today. pull back to retest that pennant. Look at that thing. You break
the
those
4
pivots,
hour
it's going to run. Those are the highest pivots it has.
Looks like the 4 hour ES is right at the trend line from the previous highs. And
Just a big old snake.
that pivot too.
It's a,
It's literally right at the pivot.
a 1 hour snake. Yeah, look at the 4 hour pivot. Yeah, it's clean. Short
Bitcoin's
term.
pushing for a new high right now.
Short term, maybe you could short Smith and Wesson, but with the inauguration coming up, there's probably gonna be a lot of unrest around the inauguration as well. I'd be careful on that.
Has Trump come out and said anything public? Like
No,
telling people to like take it easy?
he just had a
let
big
it-
speech earlier before it started.
Yeah, I was about to say I thought he was gonna speak at that rally or something.
Yeah, he had a rally, and then basically they were protesting when he was rallying, and then Pence came out and said that he wasn't going to help Trump, and then McConnell came out and said that he wasn't going to help, and he even encouraged the other Republicans not to help. That's when they started storming the Capitol.
So it was the people that were there for the rally.
No. The rally's somewhere else. The rally's somewhere else.
Okay.
Yeah. Where was the rally?
Also, there's no cell service, so these people won't know if Trump says anything or tweets anything or anything.
Oh, they
like
turned the
that.
cell service off?
Yeah.
Nice.
And it's a fucking zero.
Not the cell service, please. I need Verizon to go up.
They just killed the cell service?
Yeah, they do that a lot in DC and when there's protests.
No shit. What's the like people can't fucking call their buddies and shit?
I don't know like the main reason.
To stop organized crime, probably.
Yeah, it's probably.
You don't get affected by that, do you?
No, I don't live that close. I'm like 45 minutes out.
So what if you're someone that lives there or like works there?
Oh, you're fucked.
You're like shit out of luck?
Yeah. Most of the work, almost all the work there that's like commute work, like government work, they've been shut down forever.
BTC trying to make a new all-time high right here. It's pushing.
It just made a new all-time high.
You're above those 15-minute pivots, so there's nothing stopping you.
Let's go. Mara just got a nice 15-minute candle straight up, just engulfed everything. I mean, yeah, Bitcoin's running. That's probably why.
Yeah, there's no way that lady that you guys posted is going to survive that. So there's definitely going to be casualties.
There's like maybe one spot that is possible, and she'd have to get really lucky before.
Yeah, but if it was that guy with the rifle behind her that shot her, like maybe it was a handgun, you think, right? But that rifle is fucking going to tear you up.
And most spots in your neck, you're gonna bleed out of. You have so many arteries and stuff.
Was it a rubber bullet or a real bullet? I didn't see
No,
any blood.
I don't think it's a rubber bullet. It looked like she was bleeding pretty bad.
Yep, didn't see that.
She couldn't even
What a
move
shitty
either.
way to go.
Yeah. Well, if she was grabbing his gun or something, she fucked herself.
Bitcoin 36,000. Let's go.
Yeah, it's trying to make a new all-time high right here.
Bulls need to push.
NASDAQ 2020 was the most active year of options trading since options were introduced as tradable products in 1973.
There were twice as many calls this year as ever before. Like the next highest year was like 2010, I think.
Yeah.
It was double for this year, 2020.
At President Trump's direction, the National Guard is on the way along with other federal protective services. We reiterate President Trump's call against violence and to remain peaceful. That was what Kaylee said. So Trump ordered the National Guard. They should be there pretty soon.
What's all-time high on Bitcoin?
Right now.
Rip.
This is all-time high.
36K, right?
Just shy of 36,000.
You're through 36 right now?
Yeah, BitMEX is above 36.
I'm looking at Binance. I'm looking at Coinbase. The BitMEX prices are always a little bit higher.
Yeah, it's all the liquidations.
I'm surprised BitMEX is still around with FTX.
That's what I was just gonna say. Who the fuck is trading on BitMEX?
Nobody now. They keep kicking everybody off.
Volume has to be pretty low. I'm gonna go look.
Well, with all the coins that they have in FTX, like, what's the point of trading on BitMEX anymore?
There is no point. It's like a fucking abusive relationship. I refused to switch exchanges for so long because I was a BitMEX trader.
And like with their shitty fucking lag all the time.
Yep.
Yeah. I haven't had any
system
problems on
overload
FTX.
bullshit.
And their liquidation wicks are way bigger than any of the other exchanges.
The system overload thing. Oh my god.
Dude, I've missed out on so many scalps because of that overload shit.
Fucking PTSD.
You basically had to predict breakouts. You couldn't trade the breakout because you would be
It
overloaded.
just takes all-time high.
Wow, this is amazing.
Ape season, baby. Ape season.
The US is falling apart, but crypto
But we're aping into
Bitcoin is
shit.
forever, man.
blockchain solves everything.
Castro's aping in balls deep on the fucking 30-second chart, dude.
He just signed
Castro,
up
you
for
ever
TradingView
day trade?
Premium.
You ever scalped a 30-second?
I've never even looked at the 30-second chart, dude.
Dude, you think the 1 minute's fucking, hot, dude? The 30-second will skull fuck you.
I don't even, dude. I'm scared to look at it.
Telling you, look at it, dude.
You can unless you have premium.
If you look at the 30-second chart while watching the Terminator, you're done. You're done.
Did I literally close my F short at the bottom?
Perfect.
Unbelievable. That's unbelievable.
You think this is considered terrorism?
That's a good question.
Yes.
Practically, look what it did to the market. Fuck.
Financial terrorism.
I mean, yeah, technically the definition of terrorism, it would be terrorism. Because they're causing
Because
fear to push forward their political agenda.
Fox was just showing a clip. I can't tell if something's on fire in the Capitol or if it's like a smoke thing.
Pelosi left her computer logged into her email and somebody tweeted out a picture of it.
No way, really?
Yeah, and then he deleted it because it's a felony.
Oh.
Wait,
What
did he take a picture of?
What happened?
Pelosi left her fucking email open on her computer because they like skirted her out of there, and somebody sat down at her desk and took a picture of her email, and then he had to like insta delete it because it's a felony.
That shit should be on the dark web pretty soon.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll find the tweet.
It's on 4chan for sure.
Oh yeah, no question.
I'm telling you, hopefully she's talking about stocks in there.
What to buy next?
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, Dime loves 4chan, dude.
I would like the thing that you have pinned in the channel. If there's something on there that she's in, my whole account's going in.
Yeah, for sure.
Dude, that'd be a sight to see. Is there's like a stock in one of those emails? It'd be flying right now.
Watch it be like beyond, and then I'm all conflicted.
Yeah.
Space.
Yeah.
Sorry, that page doesn't exist. You think Twitter deleted it or the person did?
No, the dude like deleted.
Oh, the
it.
guy's a verified. Oh, he's an idiot.
Yeah, he's a fucking numbskull.
Dude, that's fucking absurd.
I mean, Dave, are you streaming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say.
I pulled it up on stream anyway.
Type it.
Type it. You can't say that and not say it, dude.
Type it.
Oh yeah, like type in $.
Just literally, like, I would just sit there and just spam.
Hashtag.
Yep. Hashtag, and honestly,
Hey, one of them would pop up.
yeah, one of them would come up, and I would like print out the email, and then I'd like run out of there, like
Hypothetically, yeah.
yeah, hypothetically run out of there
Yeah.
like the Hamburglar.
Yo,
That's how you
plug
take
one.
out Robinhood. Just fucking market buy.
Oh yeah, exactly.
PLTR is such a dog shit stock.
It's down pretty heavy earlier this morning. I haven't looked at it.
Didn't you
down 5%.
Didn't you close your position?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Still holding shares.
fuck that stock, dude.
I closed it 9.5% ago.
I closed it for a loss.
That's good, dude. That would have murdered you.
It did murder me.
That extra 10% really would have murdered you.
Yeah. Yeah, here comes the breakout on XLM. If you guys missed the first run, this is definitely a time to get in right now.
Yeah, it held the 1 hour buy signal. Look at the 1 minute on that thing.
Look at the 1
straight
minute
up.
on that thing. To get in what?
XLM.
Stellar.
Crypto.
Yeah, Castro, can you send me that Squidward meme? I feel like I need to use that like 4 or 5 times a day.
Bell's about to ring on stocks, guys.
Yo,
Make sure
I missed QS with you today.
Make
Or
sure you're
yesterday.
Dude, I
situated.
know. I added you this morning, and I'm like, it's up a lot.
I seen it when I was in the kitchen, and I was like, God damn it, dude.
I think King was calling that one like the other day, and then I was looking at it yesterday.
Whoa, explosive device was found and safely detonated at the Republican Party's headquarters in Washington, D.C.
What the?
See, that's not a Proud Boy. I don't think they're setting bombs in the Republicans' headquarters.
But they are though. That
Yo,
remember we talked about that.
Long
That's the new
Nathan's
Republican.
beef franks, dude.
They're pissed at the Republicans for not doing their fucking woe is me shit.
They're probably thinking like, "Hey, this will make them sign them 2K stimmies."
They're like,
This
"Nah, this will
bomb
make
right
them keep
here.
Trump in office." Oh, they're showing the picture of Pelosi's desk on the news.
The picture of her computer with her email open.
This one has like I guess someone left a message on her desk. We will not back down.
I saw
I think
that.
I'm gonna
yeah.
hop in XLM here.
Yeah, well, people try to call Trump from her phone, so
That's actually good. I like that.
that's really funny.
Yeah, that's actually funny.
What if they hack into her trading account and they send all her stocks?
She doesn't know what. She's never seen a chart in her life, dude.
Yeah, that bitch has an asset manager.
Yeah, she's got multiple fucking funnels that her money
Yeah, you
goes
don't need to
through.
look at a chart when you just get a phone call or email by this, by that.
I don't know. I mean, when you look at her, like it tells me that her password would be like password.
Oh yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Trump sucks.
You guys know
Yeah.
how to buy, aside from those ATMs, how to buy Bitcoin without doing the KYC crap?
Hey, look
See
at
that
this.
against
How to buy Bitcoin without doing the.
Can't you buy it on Square?
Castro, look at
Yeah.
that tweet I just posted.
But you can't send it. I'm trying to buy it.
Cash
Trying to
App,
buy
sees
it
Cash
in-
App.
Right, I know. I've used it in Cash App, but you can't send it from there, can you?
Yeah, you can.
You should be able to.
I've done it,
You buy it on Cash App, and then in Cash App, you
and
can
then send it to a different address. Yeah.
It's an actual wallet on Cash App.
Oh, really? You could do that on Square?
Yep.
Oh,
On
hold on,
Cash
hold on.
App.
Hold on, you're saying so like when I set up my FTX account, I can buy the Bitcoin on Cash App and then
App,
send it to
and
FTX?
send it to your Yes.
Is there like big fees like Coinbase?
Cash App, I don't know the exact fees, but I've bought Bitcoin on Cash App before and sent it to Kraken.
Is there like a massive delay or is it like normal?
It was well, the only delay was when I like signed up for crypto on Cash App. It took some time for me to like sign up for it.
Because if they have less fees than Coinbase, I'll probably do that.
I'm pretty sure they
Unless
trying to figure out how
one
to
of you
do it.
guys wants to fucking spot me some Bitcoin, I can send you some cash.
I have actually bought crypto on Cash App. I just didn't know you could send it. I thought it was just through them.
So if I
How'd
buy
it going, King?
$1,000 worth of $500 worth of Bitcoin. Let me see how much. Actually, if I type in my PIN, do I have to hit confirm? I don't want to buy it.
I wouldn't mess with it because I did that on Cash App accidentally and I deposited like I think it was like $1,000 on accident. I was testing it. It does it instantly too. I'd be careful.
Oh, you got a KYC on there. On
Okay, so I bought. So this was lower. This is when Bitcoin was lower, though. I bought $1,300 worth of Bitcoin, and I paid $19.63. I don't know
That seems pretty high, like
if that's
Coinbase.
steep.
See, my issue is my freaking driver's license expired and I totally forgot to renew it.
Yeah, they're not going to let you do that. Then you need a passport or something that's up to date, or else they won't let you KYC.
So my only option is to go to those fucking Bitcoin ATMs.
But you don't want to use the Bitcoin ATM, dude. Those fees are ridiculous.
I just wanted to put in like $200 in FTX and mess around.
Yeah, I'm not doing a lot. I'll probably do like 1,500 to 2,000. Castro, you want to spot me $2,000?
Maybe everything's tied up right now except for like I have like scumbag spot bids right now.
Oh, you're good.
But I could. You want just tether, straight tether, 1-to-1?
Yeah, we can do that.
Because I don't have any.
Does Tether deposit into FTX?
Yeah, you can deposit tether.
What is US? If I do USDC on Coinbase, are there still really high fees?
Like to buy USDC?
Yeah.
Or to send...
Yeah.
No, I don't think. I think it's just 1-to-1.
I don't know if you could transfer USDC to FTX though. Can you?
You can. There's a bunch of stable coins you can deposit. I don't know.
You can use USDC.
When I first started on FTX, I had to get USDC and then convert it to USDT from on Binance and then send it to FTX. But since then, I think they've integrated like more stable.
Yeah, I was able to deposit Bitcoin straight to it.
Yeah, Bitcoin deposits were unavailable when I opened my account.
Yeah, as soon as I end stream, I'm gonna set the account up right now.
Use my ref link.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream so I can set up my FTX. Appreciate you guys watching the stream as always. I will be streaming tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. Gonna be posting some analysis later in Discord. Today it should be earlier than yesterday. Yesterday I wasn't home, so today I'll probably be posting it around like 7, 8 o'clock. So watch out for that. I'm gonna hang out in voice here for a little bit, but I'm gonna end the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.